a chance for a romance. What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me?
Why couldn't we thrill him? He didn't feel we had a beat.
What's wrong with me? Maybe I'm not too exciting. I haven't the glamour she's had. Maybe I'm not too inviting, but I can't be that bad. What's wrong with me? Oh, why wouldn't she kiss me?
Why did he go? I want to know.
What's wrong with me?
She told us we'd be perfect hosts. Arthur Murray taught us to dance. He said it would bring us romance, but we're stuck, just like wallpaper, with no place to go. We think that we'll buy a dictionary to find out the meaning of smoke.
What's wrong with me? Oh, why wouldn't she kiss me?
Why did he go? I want to know.
What's wrong? So doggone wrong.